Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can insert or attach images on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to AOL Mail. Go ahead and log into your account, and after you log into your account, you will see this type of interface over here. Go ahead and click on Compose, which you see on the left hand side right below AOL Mail. After you click on it, you can see the attach icon right next to the send icon. Go ahead and click on it and you will see two options: attach files from reset emails and attach files from computer. Go ahead and click on attach files from computer if you want to attach the files which is located on your computer, but if you want to take references from the recent mails and attach files which are using them, you can do that as well. So I'm going to teach you how you can attach files from the computer. Go ahead and click on it and go to where your photo or your image is. After you click on it, you can see that it will be uploaded over here. You can view it as well, or else you can download it if you want to as well. So you can see that you can send it as image as well. So this is currently on the document form. Go ahead and click on send as image. In a while it will be turned in the image file. As you can see that it will be here on the big screen. So now you can send this whole image. If you want to turn this once again to the small form, you can do this, or you can see send as attachment over here. You can click it and it will again be on the attachment form. Now you can go ahead and write down the mail for whom you want to locate this photo or image to. You can write the subject, you can give the body, and you can now click on send. After you click send, you will be now sending it. Go ahead and click on send now, and there you go. This is how you insert image or attach images on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.